Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to display your Google reviews right on your WordPress website easily and without touching a single line of code. By the end of this tutorial, your site will not only look more professional, but you'll build instant trust with visitors by showcasing real feedback from your customers. Let's jump in and get those reviews working for you. The best and by far the most straightforward way to pull in your Google reviews is by using a WordPress plugin. I always recommend this method, especially for beginners, because it's quick, reliable, and you don't need to be a tech wizard to set it all up. The nice thing is, most of these plugins offer a free version that will happily serve up to 10 of your latest reviews, and they'll sync automatically, which means your testimonials stay current without you lifting a finger. So step 1, you need to install a plugin. There are a few trustworthy options out there, and they all work quite similarly. Some of the most popular in 2026 are Widgets for Google Reviews, Smash Balloon Reviews Feed, and WP Business Reviews. To get started, just go to your WordPress dashboard, hover over Plugins, and click Add New. Then type the plugin name into the search bar, look for a solid rating count and recent updates. This is important for security and compatibility. Then click Install Now and activate. Don't worry if it's your first time adding a plugin. WordPress will walk you through it, and the whole process just takes a minute or two. With your chosen plugin active, the next step is connecting your business. This is the part where you link your actual Google business account to your website, so the plugin knows where to grab your reviews from. Most plugins will ask for something called your Google Place ID. If you're thinking, wait, what's that? Don't stress. The Place ID is just a unique identifier for your business in Google's system. You can find it by simply searching for your business name on Google, then right-clicking on the Write a Review button, selecting Inspect, and looking for something called DataPID in the code. Or if that sounds a little intimidating, just search online for a free Place ID Finder tool. It's much quicker. Copy your Place ID and paste it into the plugin's setup screen. That's your main connection sorted. Now comes the fun part, choosing how your reviews appear on your site. Most plugins let you pick from different layouts, like a slider or carousel that scrolls through your reviews, a tidy grid, or just a simple vertical list. Take a moment to picture what might look best with your site's design. Do you want reviews front and center on your homepage, like a rolling highlight reel, or perhaps in a side column as visitors browse your services? Play around with the layout settings. Remember, you can always change it later if you want to experiment. If you're not sure, the grid option is a great all-around choice because it displays multiple reviews neatly, like tiles on a board. Finally, once you're happy with the setup and preview, it's time to add the reviews to your actual site. The plugin will provide you with a special shortcode, something like Google Reviews, which you can copy and paste into any WordPress page or post. If you're using the Gutenberg editor, most plugins even come with their own custom block, making this step even easier. Just add the block wherever you want your reviews to show up and you're done. Don't be surprised if your page feels instantly more trustworthy. It's amazing what a few genuine testimonials can do. And that's it, you just made your website way more engaging and credible, all in a few straightforward steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, maybe you hit a snag or you want to share how it went, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy WordPress tips just like this one. Thanks for watching.